Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. Well, I think you're already strong enough to learn some songs. And the first song, guess which song it will be? Of course, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. This is the first song that every single violin player learned in his life. If you're new to my channel, don't forget subscribe and press the bell. For you it's just 2 clicks and for me it means a lot. That means you're watching my videos, you're waiting for my videos. I have to create more and more and more and more. Also, if you have any questions regarding violin or maybe you just want to chat, I have a great and already a big community on my Instagram page, valeriiavoitko violin. You can always find me there, you can always write me direct message there and we can become friends. So, how we will work today? First, I'll play for you song, just to get used to and to know how this song sounds like. But I'm pretty sure Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, everybody knows. You can take your violin right now and we can start. We will learn Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, pizzicato without a bow. As usual, you can follow notes or you can follow graphics. After you will learn how to play pizzicato, we will learn it with the bow. And then, the coolest thing ever, probably other violin teachers on YouTube, they don't have that. You will be able to play it by yourself, with the notes, with a metronome, and with a piano. Usually my students, when they reach into Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, they're already telling me, oh Valeria, look, so here I have to use so much bow, here I have to use less bow, and so on. So you guys should pay attention on it also. This is very important and it will help you later on. I'm continuously telling you, it will help, but it is, believe me. And actually this topic is one of most important. About right bowing, also I talked already in my lessons. It was, I believe, bow on open strings. You can find that lesson in playlist, beginner violin lessons. If you have any questions, never afraid to write me down below in the comments or maybe on my Instagram, valeriiavoitko. This is my Instagram page. You always can write me direct message and I surely will answer you and help you. And of course, don't forget that at the end of the video you will have a note, metronome and the piano. So like this, I think it will be great opportunity for you to study home by yourself and to not search on internet, on YouTube, the accompaniment or the notes, everything in one lesson. See you next week, the same day, Wednesday, the same time, the same place, valeriiavoitko YouTube channel. Bye! Guys, and of course, don't forget to practice. And yes, I'll know